In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master SMS marketing in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through sending a one-to-one text message inside GoHighLevel so you can reach customers quickly and professionally. Before you begin, make sure the contact you plan to message has given proper consent to receive texts and that their phone number is valid and formatted as a mobile number. This keeps your outreach compliant and ensures delivery. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard and heading to the Contacts section. This is the hub where every profile lives. Take a quick moment to confirm the contact's details are accurate. If you use tags or notes, glance at them so your message reflects the right context and intent. Open the specific contact you want to reach. Inside the contact record, you'll see their activity timeline, recent communications, and key fields. Having this view open helps you send a message that's timely and relevant, based on their latest interactions. Look for the More menu within the contact profile. This menu reveals additional actions related to the person you're viewing, including messaging options you'll use frequently. Choose Send SMS from that menu to launch the message composer. You'll see the conversation window and a field where you can prepare your text. This is where you'll craft a message that's short, clear, and valuable. Add an action name for internal tracking. Think of this as a label that describes why you're sending the text, such as appointment reminder, follow-up, or promotion. Clear names make it easier to report on performance later and to understand the intent of each message at a glance. If you already have approved wording, click to pick an SMS template. Templates help you stay consistent, speed up your workflow, and reduce typos. Many templates support personalization, so verify any merge fields, like the contact's first name, are mapped correctly before you proceed. Type or refine your SMS message. Keep it conversational and direct. Include your business name for clarity and use a single, strong call to action. Aim to stay concise to limit message splitting, avoid excessive punctuation or all caps, and consider including opt-out language. For example, reply "stop" to opt out if your region requires it. When everything looks good, send the SMS. You'll see it appear in the conversation thread, where you can monitor delivery and watch for replies. That's all it takes. Open contacts, choose the contact, use the More menu, compose with a clear action name and template if needed, write a concise message, and send. With these steps and a focus on consent, clarity, and brevity, you'll master SMS outreach and go high level with confidence.